I know you're rather busy. First day back, there's just no time. A whole new class of little ones. And this one here is mine. I'm sure you have things covered and have done this lots before, but my boy is very little. He hasn't long turned 4. In his uniform this morning, he looked so tall and steady, but now, beside your great big school, I'm not quite sure he's ready. It seems like just a blink ago, I first held him in my arms. It's been my job to love, to teach, to keep him safe from harm. I know as I give him one more kiss and watch him walk away, that he'll never again be wholly mine, as he was before today.